Alright guys, so we're heading to the Fast Phase Roller Coaster Instruction, and this is the series finale of this. And this is the series finale. This is the last one. Alright guys, we finally made it, and this is how it looks now. People are finally riding in it. So let's watch them go by. There they go. And they're coming back down, and they're gonna come this way. Hey, and there's another one coming up.
That's so cool.
There's another one coming up. Okay, there we go. They're coming up. They're going backward, and they actually go backwards on this ride. They actually spin on this ride. And here come. There it goes. It goes around more than one. And here it comes. And it's going back to the garage now. And now it's heading back to the garage. Oh, there's another one coming up. I can see another one coming up, you guys.
Oh my goodness.
OMG! OMG! Would you look at that? Alright. Let's go watch them go over there. Sorry, excuse me. Okay, they're coming back around now. Actually, I just saw another one. Yep, I saw it. There they go. There they go. And the one I was just walking out is going back to the garage now. Let's see. Let's watch them go over there. Alright guys, well, this is it. This is the end of the series.